Hello, testing, testing. Hello, hello. Okay, I think my mic is not peaking, which is good. Hi, what up? Good morning, or evening, or afternoon, wherever you are. Let me turn off this promo because it already passed. Very cool. Hello. I'm back today with more Microsoft coding questions. It's been a while. I don't think I streamed on Friday through Sunday. Yeah. I was like giving myself a break for undergoing a really big interview stretch. Let's see, what have I been doing? Yeah, on Friday I ended a long string of second round interviews. I have a really bad history with second round interviews. They're supposed to be harder than first round interviews, and I don't pass a lot of them. Excuse me. Anyways, more Microsoft questions. Which ones have we done? I'm going down the list. It changes every 30 days, right? No, it changes every day. Median of 2 sorted, container with most water, we've done that. That's greedy, climbing stairs. This one helped us on our battle with hamster. Word break. I feel like we did that. Move zeros. Don't think we've done this. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Oh, interesting. Have we not done... Is this the first one we haven't done yet? Word break, climbing stairs, find first missing positive. We aren't doing hard ones. Recruiters have told me don't try hard ones. Try medium ones. LRU clash, cache, longest palindromic substring. This is just greedy, right? Add 2 numbers. Yeah, okay. This is the first one that we haven't done. Move zeros. Leetcode 283. Leetcode 283. Okay. Excuse me while I pull my nose. Okay, I'm back. Hello. Move zeros. Excuse me. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Wow, that sucks. You have to do this in place. How the heck do we do this? Okay, so what if I iterate from start to end? I see a 0. Oh. So the brute force way would be to shift everything down. Oh, wait. In place doesn't mean that you have to do this from start to end, right? Oh, I see a new message. I made a new video oh, it's Yosuke. Hello, hello. I made a new video specifically for you because my head is covering this. I miss my friend if we are. Yeah. We are online friends. Heck yes. That reminds me, I should probably pop out my chat. Should I check out the video right now? I should also make my chat easier to read. I'm gonna pop it out. Oh, bam. You know, I'm actually so curious. I think I want to watch. Yep, I made it on TikTok. Oh, very sick. I'm actually so curious. I want to watch it. Is it on your YouTube or? Official anime boy Sotaru. Oh, that's the Aharon-san one. Let me pause my music. Oh, interesting. What does it have to do with me, though? Give me everything you took from me. Everything you took from me. What did I take from you, Yosuke? Oh, black hair anime boys. Oh, there's comments. No, yeah. Hey, he doesn't get it. Oh, I need to sign in. Oh, I see. The colors of the characters are technically your characters. Ah, I see. I was on the right track. Black hair anime boys. Oh. Oh, you even got some white characters in there from my other model. Very cool. Yeah. Very cool video, I like. Thank you for sharing. Okay. But yeah, how you doing, Yosuke? Terra's radio, Veed podcaster. Coding stream, are we doing PTSD streams now? Well, it's been PTSD for 35 days. That's how long I've been doing this. Coding stream. By the way, it says Terra's radio, Veed podcaster. Are you actually a VTuber that podcasts? It's very interesting. Let me look you up. Terra's radio, V podcaster. I cannot spell. Wow, you're actually a VTuber that does podcasts. Oh wait, you do other stuff too. Very cool. Oh, you're Mocha's friend. Oh, that explains is this Vietnamese? That's very cool. But yeah, I am doing programming. The pain. Anyways, I should probably start working on this problem. Move all zeros to the end. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a list, an array with the exact same length as this. I'm gonna iterate through this array from start to finish. And then I'm only gonna copy the ones that are not zero into it first, and I'm gonna count the number of zeros at the end. I paste that many zeros in. Oh wait, I don't even need to count that many zeros, right? I just need to paste the rest with zeros. Yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, so Yosuke says, "Lol, I'm very good. What about you?" Yes, thank you. It is hard to learn coding. It is. Especially when you're just getting started. It's like, what the heck is everything? Okay, let's get started. So iterate through everything, make a new array, and result is equal to new and nums.length, exact same length as the previous list, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than nums.length, I plus plus. We gotta iterate through everything, and if, maybe we should keep track of our results index too, because it won't advance the same way as a regular index. Result I is equal to 0 by default. Okay, so if nums I is not equal to 0, then you add into result. Result I is equal to what? Nums I? And then you increment result I plus plus. Okay. Maybe we should do a sanity check. System.out.println arrays.toString result. So far we should have all the elements that are not zero in the beginning with nothing else at the end. Oh wait, is it all zeros by default? In this case, we're just almost done. We just need to paste the result array to our original array. Okay, let me hide my screen while I sign in so I can run this thing. Yosuke says, oh, Yosuke asks how I'm doing. What about you? I'm doing pretty good. You wanna know something really kind of funny or stupid? Homework L. I've been playing a new game called Pokemon Sleep. I forgot my password. Okay, there we go. I signed in. It's like do you guys know Pokemon Sleep? I've been seeing a lot of ads for it, so I downloaded it. I didn't think it was a real thing at first. It looked like a bit too funny to be a real Pokemon game. Basically, you catch Pokemon as you sleep. Well, that's not exactly it. The concept is that you have a Snorlax, right? You travel through all these islands looking for Snorlaxes, and then you sleep by the Snorlax. And using Snorlax's sleep attraction power, you wake up to Pokemon surrounding you, and then you can catch them, like quote unquote catch them, by feeding them biscuits. And if they like you enough, they become your pals. And there's like, you know how there's like Pokeballs, Great Balls, Ultra Balls, Master Balls? In the same way, there's like Poke Biscuits, Great Biscuits, Ultra Biscuits, Master Biscuits. Except there's more than one Ultra Biscuit. I mean, more than one Master Biscuit. Yeah. As you level up, the Snorlax levels up too. And the rarer the Pokemon are. The game is kind of interesting too. It tracks your sleep quality. I think it depends on what you think about privacy, but I think, so you put it on your bed, right, while you sleep. I think what it does is it tracks how hard you move with the gyroscope in the phone to see how still you are, and it also records audio to figure out how loud you are when you sleep, and then give you a sleep score when you wake up. It also generally is higher when you sleep more. Like one day I got 6 hours of sleep and my sleep score was like 59% or something. Another day I slept 8.5 hours. My sleep score was like 93%. Yeah, interesting game. Oh yeah, I recently caught a Do trio. Okay, what have we here? 1, 3, 12, 0, 0, which is what we are expecting. Very nice, and default is 0. That's so convenient. Wow. The one rare occasion where Java defaults are actually helpful. You don't see that very often. And then all I have to do is copy this into the original nums. So yeah, one more loop. Int I is equal to 0. I'll just straight up copy this. Okay, so nums I is now equal to result I. Very nice. We didn't even need to keep track of our zeros, and then we don't return anything. Run that thing. Yay, let's go, it worked. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh yeah, speaking of mocha, I think, let's see. Yeah, I was part of the telephone, multilingual telephone collab with Teji last week. I don't think I remembered any Vietnamese. Is Vietnamese sawadee Vietnamese. To say hello. Wait, no, sawadee is Thai. Vietnamese. Xin chào. Xin chào. Is that how you say it? I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. I don't remember any Vietnamese from the collab. I remember his shim 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 shim, which is allegedly Arabic for apricot. Apricot in Arabic. Oh wait, no, it's mish. Mish mish. Mesh mish 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 mish. It's apricot. Otherwise I don't remember anything else. Okay, next question. That one went relatively smoothly. Move zeros, we did that. Roman to integer, we did that last week. Threesome, we did that last week. Letter combinations of a phone, we did that. Swap notes in pairs. Oh, I don't think we've done this. Swap notes in pairs. This is a medium question. Yeah, we didn't do this. Leetcode 24. Leetcode 24. Man, I'm surprised that people can still find this stream, by the way. I haven't streamed in 3 days, 4 days. The algorithm still remembers me. Wow. Given a linked list, swap every 2 adjacent nodes and return its head. What? What? And return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the linked nodes. I see. This is a pointer manipulation thing. Oh, the pain. Wait, actually, how the frick? This looks so complicated. Okay, let's think about this. 1, 2. Oh, there's gonna be so much annoying base cases for this one. Man, linked nodes are really annoying because of base cases. Unless we put like a dummy node in the beginning and a bogus node at the end. Sure, maybe let's do that, make our lives easier. Okay, let's see when I switch 1 and 2, right? When we're pointing to 1 currently, what do we do? Or, I don't know. Should we make our lives even easier and just, let's say we're at a head node here before 1 and 2. Yeah, sure. What do we do with 1 and 2? Okay, this is just me thinking right now. Hmm. Oh my goodness, how do we do this? So we do 1 dot, it's just next, right? Next is equal to 2. Wait, that doesn't make sense. 1 dot next, oh, we have to swap these. 1 dot next is equal to 3. Let's just do that first, because we'll swap 4 and 3 next. Head dot next is equal to 2. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think it makes sense if we switch it, if we start on head. Head dot next is equal to 2. 2 dot next is equal to 1. 1 dot next is equal to 3. Oh my goodness. And then we next. Yeah, we do a next. And then we iterate, next, iterate. Swap every 2 adjacent nodes and return its head. Okay. And then we'll have to remove the last node somehow, I guess. Wait, we can just do 1 dot next is null. Maybe not. Or null. Or the end. Yeah, okay. So all we need is a bogus head node. Okay, bogus head node it is. Trying to think about what other base cases we could possibly get for this. Sure, let's do a bogus head node then. List node bogus head is equal to see if I can make this bigger in my screen. Is equal to head dot new list node -1 -1 comma head. Okay. Yeah, that's a valid constructor, the value and then the head. List node current node is equal to bogus head. Okay, while n is not equal to null, sure, let's make that the base case for now. Because what happens if we're done with 2, right? We swap 4 and 3, 1, 2. Oh, what if we do n dot next is not equal to null? Because we're done with head, 1, 2. 1, 2, okay. So we'll probably stop at 4, okay. Okay, let's follow our pattern. Ooh. Okay, let's node the left thing to swap. You know what, let's just call it exactly like node 1, like our example over here. Yeah. Node 1 is equal to n dot next. This node 2 is equal to n dot next. Okay. Well, I'm so paranoid. What if we have like just one more node after this? Like we're here and 4 doesn't exist. 4 doesn't exist. If that's the case, then we should probably just break, right? If n dot next. What if we do and n dot next not equal to null? Yeah. We'll probably just do that. Then we guarantee that these two things exist. Yay. And next. Okay, we do what we listed. So n dot next is equal to node 2. Node 2 dot next is equal to node 1. Node 1 dot next is equal to, oh, node 3 is equal to next. Okay, oh boy. It could be null though. Next dot next dot next equal to node 3. Okay, and then we do next. N is equal to n dot next. Very nice. And then we return the entire thing, which is wrong. I feel like. Return bogus head dot next. Okay. I have a strong feeling this is not going to work. How? How does this work? That can't be possible. How does this work? I don't know. And this works when I submit it. I will, I don't know, drink some milk. Who knows? That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. First try, baby. Let's go. Wow, that's actually incredible. I'm notoriously really bad at linked list problems. Linked list problems have screwed me over on so many interviews. Screw the LRU cache. LRU cache, I'm looking at you. I can't believe I did it first try. 100% too. No stupid base cases. That's awesome. Okay, I have some milk next to me. I'll drink it. That is some lukewarm milk left over from my breakfast. Wow, I'm still in shock. I can't believe this worked. Okay. Hold on, let me check a stream thing real quick. I know I'm live on YouTube. Did the Twitch algorithm already forget about me? Oh, bam. Forget about me. Okay, the stream is live on Twitch. Okay, guess it's just YouTube today. Next question. Okay, swap nodes and pairs, we did that. Rotate an image, we did that. Best time to buy and sell stock. I actually forgot to do this. Oh wait, you just hug the minimum, right? Hug the minimum. Yeah, and then sell. Valid palindrome, we've done that. Candy. I want candy, but it's a hard problem. Majority element, easy. Have we done majority element? 169. Leetcode 169. 169. No, we haven't. All right. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n over 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Okay. I assume we take a hash map and count the numbers. So iterate from start to end, count all the numbers, and as soon as we add the n minus 2th or greater number, into the hash map, we can just break and return that, yeah. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that. Hash map integer, map to integer, which is the element, map to how many times we've seen it. Count is equal to new hash map. Okay, and then for every num, int num in nums. Okay, we gotta be careful here in case we haven't seen it in the hash map. Oh, int current count is equal to count.get or default current num, and default is 0. Yeah. And if the current count plus 1 is greater than, if it appears more than n over 2, okay, greater than nums.length divided by 2, then you automatically return it. Return num. Yeah. Else you what? Current count. Count dot put your num and current count plus 1, just in case this is the first time you've seen it. Yeah. And at the end, you return -1 in case you never find anything and the question lied. Cannot find symbol. Huh? Hash map. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Capital M here. Please work. Oh, it worked. Let's go. Oh, event time, baby, 2. Yay, let's go. I'm surprised it's this slow, by the way. Is there a faster way to do it? Beats 29%. What if I try submitting again? 22%. Is there a faster way to do this? I'm doing O of n time. I don't see how you can get any faster. Let's see the solutions. Java, Python, sorting. Okay, but that's n log n time. Oh, once the array is sorted, the majority element will always be present at n over 2. Oh, that's true. However you sort, oh yeah, visually. However much you ship that n over 2. Huh, approach to hash map. Yeah, that's what I did. Moore voting algorithm. If there is a majority element in an array, it will always remain in the lead, even after encountering other x. Okay. Count candidate, set count to 0 and candidate to an arbitrary value. If count is 0, assign the current element. If the current element is different from candidate, decrement count by 1. After the iteration, the candidate variable will hold the majority element. Huh? If count is 0, assign the current element as the new candidate. So this is still O of n time though. Hmm. Okay. Is this a useful algorithm to learn though? This is so short though. I think this is still shorter. Would it help if I do an int target is equal to nums.length divided by 2? I feel like that's not going to help at all. Target Alright. Is this algorithm really that much faster? Is it worth learning? More voting algorithm. Okay, count to 0. Candidate is 0 for every number. If count is 0, candidate is equal to num. If num is equal to candidate plus plus, else count minus minus. Okay. I see what they're doing, but why does this work? If the count is reset to 0 by other elements, the majority element will eventually regain the lead. Equal number of occurrences for the majority element. However, the majority element will still be selected as the final candidate. Okay. So if it's 0, candidate is equal to num. Num is equal to candidate. Okay. I think I understand the intuition behind this. What if our majority element is like, if count is equal to 0, can this go into the negatives? If count is equals to 0, candidate is equal to nums. It can go into the negatives. Wait. I'm so confused. Let me try running this. Test cases. Let's do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 5, 5, 5. Okay. What about this? I don't get why this works though. System.out.println num. Okay, I'm just doing some debugging to figure out why this works. Num plus colon plus, let's do count and candidate. Count plus candidate. Run that thing. Oh, it never goes down to 0. For 1, it's 1. For 2, subtract, so it becomes 1. Oh, okay. I see. It never becomes 0 because right after you set it to a new candidate, you increment it. Okay. And then as soon as it goes down to 0, I see. Neat algorithm. I'm going to try writing this from scratch. Oh, let me hide this too. So we have int count is equal to 0, int best so far. best solution so far is equal to 0. Well, this doesn't really matter, right? For int num in nums, if Vito, yo, how you doing? I'm doing good. I took like a 3-day break. Now I'm back. Hello, hello, how you doing? If count is equal to 0, I completed like, oh my god, 3 rounds of second round interviews last week. So I took a break. My mind was overloaded. Oh, and I did a collab with a actual CS major last week. We did a Leetcoding battle. It was pretty fun. How about you, Vito? How you doing? Count is equal to 0. Then best solution so far is equal to resting is nice. I'm good too. Hey, nice to hear. I'm doing some weird algorithm I just learned from the solutions by heart is equal to num, and then right after this, if the current num is equal to the best solution so far, we increment it automatically so it never goes to 0, then count plus plus, else count minus minus. And then after all this, you return best solution so far. Well, it worked. And it beats a lot. I guess since for every number we're just adding 1, decreasing 1 to 2 variables instead of doing a hash map, it would be faster. Okay, I'm still gonna write this question down because I did not know the clever solution, I would say. Yeah. What problem is this? 169. 169. Yeah, apparently there's a clever solution. Okay, we've done our 3 problems for the day. There's still some extra time left, so I think I'll just word of mouth review some problems. I'm not gonna do it, but just by mouth. Leetcode. Vito says, most likely yeah, because the map is a 2-way array, kinda, so it's gonna take more time than a simple variable. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like interacting with objects in general in Java is way slower than interacting with primitive types. I see. 2-way array, huh? Yeah, the keys are stored maybe in a kind of array structure. The values. Well, is the values... Oh. Wait, are the values stored in array structure? Maybe in some cases. All right. Leetcode 7. I have marked this down as stumping me. With its digits reversed, if X causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit range, then return 0. Oh, I remember this. Yeah. Don't we just convert this to a integer array to int array? Java int to int array. There's no built-in function to do this? Oh, really? We have to do this manually? Oh, okay. I guess that's the way to do it. Mod 10 divided by 10. Yeah, okay. Mod 10 divided by 10. And then I guess you would make a whole nother int array. So iterate from start to end on this, add everything to a int array backwards. Maybe a linked list, so you don't have to worry about size. And then in the end, you print everything out, add everything together, keep multiplying by 10, add the next. And then I do believe we had to check for a minus sign in the beginning, and then omit that, and put it back if it was a negative. Let's see my submissions. Yeah, we did a negative check. We did a linked list of the digits, parsed it like that. Can't you just make it a string, then reverse it and bring it back to int? Yeah, that's the method I did at first. Integer.toString, and then string reverse it. I don't know. Would that be an acceptable solution in doing an interview? I feel like, maybe it depends on the interviewer. I don't know. Do you think that's overkill? The string method looks really long too, actually. And then string builder. Add everything from start to end. I mean, end to start, skipping the negative sign. And if it's a negative, you append it. I see. Maybe that's a way to do it. Well, at least I know two solutions of doing it now. Oh, and also you gotta watch out for. Depends if you can give them their thought process. I see. Okay. This is slightly easier though. Oh, and I forgot. Parse int would give you a number format exception if it's too big. And the other one we did just a long. And if it's greater than integer the max value, then return nothing. Okay, I think I understand this problem. Next problem I marked up for review is Leetcode 22. What is this one? Generate parentheses. Oh. God damn. Should we do this one? I feel like this is a good exercise. Am I gonna regret this? Are we gonna be stuck here for an hour again? I remember this is a recursive problem. Vito says, you from USA? Hey, I'm from USA. How can you tell? Probably the more American accent, huh? Int n. Okay, there's a recursive way to do it that does not involve stacks, which I really like. Int left remaining, int right remaining. Wait, no, the used one. Used, right used. Given n pairs of parentheses, write a function to generate all combinations of well-formed parentheses. Okay. And then int n. It's been decided how we win. Now the Leetcode really, here in Europe, we don't use it for interviews. Man, you guys are so lucky. Yeah, for like 95% of all jobs you apply to, they ask you to Leetcode, which is not fun. Okay, what's the base case here? If left used is greater than n, wait, I kind of forgot how this works. Did we check our current string too? String s. If left used is greater than n, or the right used we use too much is greater than n. Is it used or remaining? Sure, let's use used. Or the right parentheses used is greater than n. The idea is if we've used too much, right? And the current left used or the right used is greater than left used, then that doesn't make sense at all. Then we return no. Wait, how do we do this? Oh, wait. We were supposed to return a list of strings. Man, what do we do here? Oh no, are we gonna be here for an hour again? I swear I know how to do this. We're supposed to return a list string. Wait, we can do this in place. Void string list string result. Okay, so if I've used more than my allotted values of n, if I use more than my allotted right parentheses, or if I use more rights than my left, then, which is completely invalid, then I return the result. I don't do anything with it. Else, if my left used is equal to n, and my right used is equal to n, then I do result dot add the current string. Else I recurse. So generate parentheses with the same result list. We'll do left parentheses first, plus left parentheses so left used plus 1, right used plus 1, no, not plus 1, it's the same, n. Generate parentheses, we'll do the right one. We'll try adding a right parentheses, right used plus 1. Yeah. And in the end, that should be it. List string result is equal to new. Should we do a linked list? Linked lists are good for appending stuff, right? And then we call generate parentheses with the result list, the empty string, left used 0, comma 0, and n. I feel like that's it. Oh, we need to re-update the strings before and after these, right? Wait, or do we? No, we probably don't, right? Because the strings, this is a whole new thing. It doesn't actually update the original string. You know what? Let's try running this. Return. Oh, we don't return anything, we just return. Return result No. Oh wait, it's completely the opposite. The right used is greater than left used. No. Oh, this is the right parentheses. That's the left. The right. This is like completely opposite. Yay! We did it, boys. I remember the recursion. And then to optimize this, we can use string builder, right? Let's go. Yeah. I remember. I did it from scratch. All submissions. Did I do this? So in the past I did remaining, so it works with both left remaining used. Yeah, you can do it either way. Very cool. Okay. Huh, that's pretty interesting. I did it actually a different way, slightly different way this time. But the intuition still works. Okay. We did 3 problems today. We reviewed 2 that messed us up last time. I think I'm done for today. Yeah, this was a relatively short stream. We got a lot done. Don't know what else to say. The video on YouTube of me and Hamster battling it out is coming out soon, so watch out for that. Other than that, have a nice day, guys. Thank you for coming. Thanks, Vito. Yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow.